Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove reposts on threads. So this is quite easy and simple. So go ahead and open up your thread application, and then I will show you how to repost a post. So tap these little arrows going in a circle at the bottom of the photos, and then hit the repost icon. So now to remove it, let's just go to our profile, and then on your repost section over here, just click that one, and then just tap the arrow in circles, and then hit the remove options in here, and you're good to go. So that's how to remove reposts on threads. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.